Do you want your own AI assistant that can answer questions, manage tasks, send emails, and even schedule events? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a personal assistant AI agent in N8N. Let's get started. First, open your N8N workspace. Look at the left side and you can see side options. Find the button of template and click it. Once you click it, you can see at the center of the screen a search box. Search for Personal Assistant AI. This search will bring up several AI personal assistant options for you to browse through. Take your time exploring these options to find the one that best meets your needs. Once you've decided on an AI assistant you want to integrate into your workflow, well, click on it. This will prompt the platform to begin preparing the template for use in Workspace. Next, import the template. This step essentially brings the AI assistant into your workspace. After the import, N8N may prompt you to set up additional software integration required for AI assistant to function optimally. And that's it! You've successfully created a personal assistant AI agent in N8N. Thanks for watching. Keep automating, keep learning. Thank you for watching. God bless you.